have some fun?
Oh my gosh!
Hey everyone, Chase Gentry here. I've spent years pushing vehicles to their off-roading limits. Today we're about an hour outside of Las Vegas at 13 Mile Loop near the Valley of Fire State Park, and this place is incredible. Our ride is the new 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor SUV. I'm not doing this alone today. I've got some new friends joining me and they're just pulling up. Let's go meet Susan and her boys. So, excited to do some off-roading today?
Oh, we're excited. I'm a little nervous about bringing them off-roading, something that I haven't done with them yet.
That's to be expected. Doing something new is always a little bit intimidating.
Yes.
But what we're here to do is take a whole lot of information in, but we're gonna build confidence every step of the way, okay? Before we get going, we're gonna pull out my onX Off-Road app. Ford and onX Off-Road have teamed up, so if you own a 2017 or newer Ford vehicle, you get a 1-year complimentary access to an onX Elite membership, and that's available right from your Ford app. What's really cool about that is in the event that we get out to a remote area like this and we lose cell signal, all of the trail information, trail conditions, some information from previous onX users is gonna be all inside this app. That's gonna seamlessly pair to our vehicle via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. All that information and map is gonna be readily available right here on our screen inside of our car. So I'm gonna drive first, kind of let Mom see what we're doing, and then Mama's gonna become the pro driver today.
Okay.
You excited about that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm ready.
All right, guys, we've got onX Off-Road pulled up. You see how there's different colors on the trail, blue and green?
Yeah.
You can filter your trails based off of skill level. So green means easier.
Oh, so that's the one we're doing today.
It says it's easy, but it's got some challenges it's gonna throw at us.
Okay.
If you look ahead of us, we've got a lot of sand. In sand, momentum is our best friend and panic is our enemy. So if we stop abruptly, make super snappy throttle inputs, it acts like a shovel. It just buries the car down and you immediately get stuck. Are we ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
All that off-road tech and that intelligent four-wheel drive system is keeping our power and manipulation into the ground.
That is so cool.
All right, guys, so we had a little fun, right? I saw the boys back there laughing. I think it's time for Mama to do it. Are you ready?
I'm actually a little nervous still.
Yeah.
But I'm excited. I want to try. All
You ready? Let's go. Boom. And again, we want to ease into the throttle. We're moving. Okay, now we've got momentum, okay?
Right.
Can you feel how the sand makes the car a little heavier?
Yes, I can feel that.
Okay, that's sort of that barrier that we're fighting the entire time, okay? It's like it's a love-hate relationship with momentum and throttle. We don't want to just get so aggressive on the throttle where we dig down. We just want to keep that real smooth momentum. Let that terrain management system do exactly what it's engineered to do. Yeah, that's wonderful. You're doing great.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Okay, Susan, we've got a little small warm-up rocky obstacle here, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna activate the off-road mode, so we're in four-wheel drive, ready to rock and roll.
All right.
Let's go ahead and inch forward here. Perfect.
Okay.
Good. Keep coming forward. We're gonna go a little passenger. Perfect. Now we're gonna go driver. Go all the way towards me, give it everything it's got. Nice and easy. Good. Ooh, how about that? There we go.
Wow, okay.
Now you're rock crawling.
All right.
Look at that. Look at you go. So we got some more rocks here. Again, nice, easy throttle.
Okay.
We're gonna turn all the way around here.
Okay.
We're gonna come straight down.
Over here.
Nice and easy. Look at you. That was a walk in the park.
All right.
Well done. See how we're just kind of like a lot of consistent up and down?
Right.
These are called whoops. It's kind of like life's bumps. If we go into them too fast, they'll rattle you. So if we go into them nice and smooth and confident and composed, we just kind of hover and float right over them. This is what you'd call a washboard road. Sort of like whoops, just a little smaller and more frequent. We have that 8.7 inches of ground clearance to go over rough terrain like this and uneven surfaces. We have underbody steel protection that's going to protect all those really important bits. It's kind of like the boys when they put their football pads on, you know? They're protected.
Right. Oh, it feels so effortless.
Right? It's becoming more natural.
Yeah, I can do this. This is amazing, and it's just an hour from home.
Which is why onX Off-Road is so cool, because it helps you discover hidden gems like this.
We've unlocked a whole new world today.
Okay, Susan, we've had a full day of trail, right? We're gonna have kind of like the final boss. We had a little warm up earlier. You kind of got your feet wet going over some rocky stuff. What do you think? Are you ready to tackle that one?
I think I'm ready. Yeah.
I think you're ready too.
I do want to try that.
Let's do it.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, come on up at me. Straight at me. You're doing great.
Okay.
Okay. Now go hard driver.
Okay.
Good. Nice and easy. Keep coming. Good. Nice and easy. Great job. You're doing great. I love it.
Oh my gosh.
Pause right there. Okay.
All right.
So let's go ahead and we're going to give it a little bit more aggressive throttle exactly where you're at.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Bump it, bump it, bump it, bump it, bump it. Good. Okay, pause. Pause, pause.
Okay.
Great job. Woo! I love it. Okay, we're going to come this way now, okay? We're not done yet. You're only halfway
All
done.
right.
Hard driver, all driver.
Okay.
Hard driver. All the way driver.
All the way.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy, easy. Come more driver.
Okay.
Good. Good. Just like that. You're doing great. Final boss. I think you're the boss. Yeah. Dang!
Did it.
Let's go. Great job. Put it in park.
All right, I feel so accomplished.
Your mom just did that.
I know, right?
Awesome.
I feel so confident right now. I came in here just not knowing what's gonna happen, and I was a little scared and nervous, but right now I feel so accomplished and I'm so proud of myself.
I'm so proud of you. You are more capable than you think. The car is amazing. I think you're ready for your next adventure?
Yes, I'm ready for my next adventure.
What about you boys?
Yeah.
You have a blast?
Yeah.
All right. Heck yeah. Awesome, Susan.
Thank you. Thank you so much for guiding me and supporting me through this.
Of course. I had a blast. If you want to start your own journey, remember, if you own a 2017 or newer Ford, you can start your 1-year Elite onX Off-Road membership today.